support, more support than they're getting now.
Pani Romana
Madam Cizelj.
Honourable President, the European Union is full of minorities, and national minorities are very important. Indigenous minorities represent 8% of the population, and an additional 6.5% is immigrant minorities. Before the last two enlargements, 12 member states had to prove that they fulfilled the criteria on the rights of minorities. However, the states that were already members were never subject to any controls as to their minority policies. This is an inequality. Lately, the Slovenian community in Italy, Austria and Hungary has been subjected to a lot of pressure due to cuts in the financing for their activities. This is why I call on Europe to adopt a new, more serious approach towards the minorities issue, because the new Lisbon Treaty gives us the legal basis to do so. I therefore call on the European Commission to prepare a plan on how to fulfill the provisions of the Lisbon Treaty on the protection of minorities.
Pani
Anna Zaborska.
Slovensko je ohrozené výstavbou megakasína so zavádzajúcim názvom Metropolis.
President, Metropol is a new project for a huge casino. Slovenia